Cambridge Internationalist Level Sociology, the family.
What are the dimensions of family diversity, including organizational, cultural and class diversity? Family diversity encompasses various dimensions that reflect the multifaceted nature of familial relationships, structures, and arrangements within societies. Three key dimensions of family diversity include organizational diversity, cultural diversity, and class diversity. Organizational diversity. Organizational diversity refers to the structural variations in family arrangements and living situations. This dimension encompasses different family structures, compositions, and household arrangements, including nuclear families, consisting of parents and their children living together in the same household. Extended families, including relatives beyond the nuclear family unit, such as grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins, living together or in close proximity. Lone parent families, comprising one parent raising one or more children without the presence of a partner or spouse. Reconstituted families, formed when one or both partners in a couple have children from previous relationships, merging to form a new family unit. Same-sex families, composed of couples of the same gender who are in a committed relationship and may choose to raise children together. Single-person households, individuals living alone without any family members or roommates. Cultural diversity. Cultural diversity in families encompasses variations in beliefs, values, norms, traditions, and practices across different cultural groups. This dimension includes ethnic and racial diversity, reflecting the cultural backgrounds and heritage of families from diverse ethnic and racial backgrounds. Religious diversity, influencing family rituals, ceremonies, and practices based on religious beliefs and traditions. Linguistic diversity, pertaining to the languages spoken and used within families, which may include bilingual or multilingual households. Immigrant and refugee families, families who have migrated or sought refuge in a new country, bringing with them their cultural identities, languages, and traditions. Class diversity. Class diversity refers to socio-economic variations among families, influenced by factors such as income, education, occupation, and access to resources. This dimension includes working-class families, often characterized by limited financial resources, lower levels of education, and reliance on manual labor or service sector jobs. Middle-class families, typically associated with moderate to higher levels of income, education, and professional or managerial occupations. Upper-class families, characterized by significant wealth, high levels of education, and prestigious occupations or inherited privilege. Socioeconomic disparities, reflecting inequalities in access to housing, healthcare, education, and other social and economic opportunities among families of different socioeconomic backgrounds. These dimensions of family diversity highlight the complex intersections of social, cultural, economic, and structural factors that shape familial experiences and relationships within societies. Understanding and acknowledging this diversity is essential for promoting inclusivity, equity, and support for all types of families and households.